today's episode is super special because my best friend is getting married.
Wait, she's my school friend too. Welcome to
Behind the Big Day.
Get ready for takeoff.
Hi guys, I'm Avantika.
Hi, I'm Shrishti. We asked our followers to share their stories with us.
And trust the process and be ready to have fun.
We'll help you find your dream outfit, get you the right hair and makeup, and also help you with the perfect jewelry. Out of which we pick some incredible brides to be.
Today we're at Simone Handcrafted's atelier. This is literally where all the magic happens.
So this is what Behind the Big Day is all about, highlighting Indian craftsmanship while making our bride's dream come true.
Okay, let's go meet the designer. She's outside. Our bestseller this season in the light blue especially.
By the way, guys, that's our designer Simone, and she creates some of the most incredible pieces. We've been wearing her collection for years now. Avantika, you want to tell them?
Yeah, and I have been wearing her pieces, some of my favorite outfits in my wardrobe. I'm going to attach pictures, but there's a red one and a white one which you guys have loved.
And a lot of our friends and family has been wearing Simone stuff for years.
Weddings, yes. Today we're at her flagship store in Fort, and we're super excited to meet the shop. Everyone.
Oh, hi!
Hi.
So
how are you? Good to see you. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Excited, Disha?
Yes.
Okay, so Simone, like we told you earlier, Disha is looking for her Sangeet outfit.
Okay, awesome.
And we want you to kind of take us through
Guide
the
us
options,
and tell us
guide
which you think would like make the most
Awesome.
sense.
So
We've already
Disha-
seen a couple of pieces which we are personally loving. So
Yeah.
let's just quickly browse through the store.
Sounds good, Disha. Any preferences, colors? Are you more of a pastel person? Prefer something darker, more contrast?
I think since it's a Sangeet, darker would be a better
Okay,
option.
awesome.
Yeah.
Then let me start
Also, you're
with...
wearing baby pink for the main day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
great.
yeah.
So then let's not overlap with
Yeah.
any of the pastels and let's go into darks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was actually thinking, what about like an electric and navy blue combination, something like this?
Also, it's a very hot color this season. I think a lot of brides are opting for it. So it's again
Yes.
something that looks really
one?
nice.
For
on you,
sure,
Disha.
yeah. And again,
Yeah.
a fishtail, because I think it's nice
Yeah.
to have a variety of silhouettes.
Okay.
If you're doing a lehenga, maybe one fishtail, and then we've
Yeah.
got it paired with a corset, which could be
Yeah.
nice as well. And we've given a bit of contrast between the base and the beading on top, so you actually see the design.
Oh my god, I
Red.
spot a very pretty red.
There's one more on the left actually. Like both of these, like have caught my eye ever since I walked into the store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, like a fishtail silhouette, something that we can consider. Disha, what do you think?
Yeah, we can try, but
I prefer that a little
You
bit
mean
more.
because it's a bit more heavy.
Yeah, I think there's a little more shine on that also, Simone.
True, true.
I think
And you know the
that's
good thing
heavier.
in a lehenga versus, I mean, the advantage of the lehenga would also be the fact that you get a lot more movement during a sangeet,
Yeah.
during
Yeah.
for
the dancing
and
stage and
everything.
stuff. You'll just
Yeah.
be more comfortable. So I think this is a great option.
Yeah.
And we could always, you know, customize the blouse based on what you have in mind.
I also like the fact that we can use the dupatta as a cape
As a
style
cape,
also.
always
you know.
convenient. Again, hands-free
yeah,
when you're
easier
dancing.
to move around.
Yeah, this
for
is
sure.
definitely more delicate a piece than that one.
Yeah.
For sure, in terms of the work and
I
like
think
the
in
beads.
like
and
a bridal sense, this one
bridal
looks more
sense, yeah.
bridal.
Yeah.
And you can always do emeralds because the contrast will look damn good.
Yeah.
Emeralds and red always the
Always
best.
works.
So true.
I also spot another similar one to the blue, but it's in a black and white combo.
Yes.
Right there.
That's another one I'm currently obsessed with.
I actually love this. It's stunning. It's stunning. And I'm really not seeing a bride wearing
Yeah, it's
black and
super
white from a
unique.
Yeah.
Sangeet. So
Really,
it's
really
very
unique.
true, very
Yeah.
true. And we've done a high contrast this time so
Yeah.
that the design kind of
The
shows
work
up
shows a lot.
rather
Yeah.
than being black
Yeah.
on black, which kind of just blends in very often.
Disha, what do you think about this one?
I like this one.
Yeah. I think we're loving so many pieces. It's going to be so tough to pick one.
I think we should try on a bunch and then
Yeah.
you'll know by the end of it what's working for you.
Yeah, let's do
I
that.
think that sounds
But again,
good.
these are all the deeper colors, so I think all are great options. For
Yeah.
now.
I think we should.
Dude, Disha, I've never imagined to see you in an outfit like this. It's
so
looking
good.
too good. Honestly, stunning.
I love this silhouette on you.
आंटी क्या लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बट आई थिंक हम लोग के में ब्लैक थोड़ा दुल्हन को पहनना
रात को या फिर संगीत में.
संगीत के लिए भी नहीं?
या इट्स बेटर कोई दूसरा कलर ट्राई करे बट इट्स वेरी नाइस
But you should definitely.
Shit, we didn't think about that only.
But silhouette is nice, na?
You should
Yeah,
definitely
yeah.
wear a corset for some.
बट
events,
दूसरा
for
कलर
sure.
भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं
I
अपन
really like the way the outfit is looking.
It's the one like
The
Disha,
reason
but
why we actually picked this because we were like, you know, we've not seen a lot of brides wear black and white for a संगीत, so we thought ऐसे unique लग रहा है, तो we thought maybe should try.
बट हम लोग के भी थोड़ा ब्लैक को
हाँ, हाँ.
दुल्हन के लिए
हमने सोचा ही नहीं.
मैंने खुद नहीं सोचा.
But Disha, can you like dance and like?
So I think
It's a little too.
This is not like I can barely walk in it. So I think dance.
See, it's gonna be made to your like measurements
Yeah,
and stuff. So
yeah.
that time there'll be more like room
to
for you.
dance,
Yeah.
But color is something that we aren't.
Colors out of the picture, but then maybe customize in maybe another color.
You want to try it in another color?
Yeah,
We can think about that. Asa.
So we're going to take her,
opinion
expert
as well,
opinions
yeah.
on everything.
I mean, yeah, I love the silhouette on her. Like I mean, personally, Disha wouldn't have worn something like this or tried.
Yeah.
But I
wouldn't
think
have
it
tried.
fits her so well, and also like it's very intricate. And probably you can do something like this for the reception. So like you don't usually have to stand.
Not too much
Or
movement.
probably something
yeah,
in a
because-
navy. Will navy blue be okay?
या
And probably
Okay, there
something
is a
in
navy blue piece
Yeah,
we had liked.
yeah.
So we'll try that.
Let's try the next piece
चलो.
because वो black नहीं है, वो color है.
चलेगा
So the next piece is actually a beautiful red color, and I think like red is a color that will really suit Disha. It's not like a typical red lal color. It's like a beautiful like ox blood color, which is like this. So I think that is like.
Yeah, I think
I
let's
feel
do
like a
that.
bride should wear red on one of her functions. If you know, not the wedding day, and she's not wearing on
Yeah,
her
she's
wedding
not
day, so
wearing.
might as well wear it on maybe sangeet or like a reception or something. So I feel red will really stand out on her.
Yeah, and I think red would suit her.
A lot.
Yeah.
I think red is her color.
Yeah.
So I feel like all of us are going to love the next
Yeah.
piece. Red is really her color. Red is so
Stunning. Such a bride.
I think I love this one so far.
Red is really your
Yeah, I
color.
really
like,
love it.
Totally.
like beautiful.
Cap sleeves so massy.
Yeah, it has cap sleeves.
I think later on for the after party you can just
Yeah.
remove the dupatta. or
And you
whatever.
can drape it like this, but the entry should be with
Yeah,
this.
definitely.
Cape,
Yeah, with the
And
cape.
it's easy to dance also.
Yeah.
like this,
Yeah.
Because then it
You
won't
want
better.
I think you should step down and maybe twirl
Yeah,
once
that- I was
and
just
see,
gonna
let's see
say
how
that.
it's looking. Go for it. Hold the dupatta if you want.
Try a few steps.
So pretty. I think it's very nice.
I love it.
Love
Although
Yeah, I really like it.
I feel थोड़ा सा और can हम नीचे डाल सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
because when
Yeah.
she's dancing and twirling and
Yeah, yeah, and then when you're entering also it gives a little grandeur
Yeah, it looks
effect.
much better.
There's a very light layer of can in this, so we can definitely like I think.
Yeah, I
add-
think make
Auntie,
it more.
आप बताओ कैसे लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Yeah. Auntie has approved means it's it.
And I love this like
Yeah, very
I'm
delicate.
really liking this.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Disha, I think emeralds will look
on
great.
red, yeah.
There's a set over here. Shishi, can you just
Yeah.
bring it? We can probably try how it looks.
बहुत अच्छा.
Just see the green adds so much that now that contrast looks beautiful with red.
Yeah, just see yourself.
Gorgeous. I think the emerald is
Stunning.
going.
I think even like the hair on one side also is
Yeah,
really.
this in itself.
Yeah.
I really like this outfit. I think
Yeah.
it's
Guys-
very, very nice.
पहले वाला या this one?
पहले वाला तो
Yeah. Red is red. Yeah.
Red
Yeah.
The
as a
first one is
bride.
very different, but
Different,
this
yeah.
is very classic and pretty, which is
I
Disha's
agree.
personality.
And definitely for a Sangeet, I think the like lehengas look really good, like the flowy,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
bigger
Dance.
size.
And this color suits you too
Yeah.
much. Like
Glowing.
too much.
Yeah.
Like it's the perfect red for your skin
Yeah.
tone.
It's not that very bright.
It's not
red,
the bright
a very
red, yeah.
nice
Ox blood,
like,
nice red, yeah.
Perfect.
But I think we have one more option, the third
Yeah.
one, which I think is again a very solid pick. It's a
I
blue.
think I'm sold.
You're sold on this, but we have one more
Yeah, I think
option.
let's
Let's
see,
see
yeah.
how
Let's
blue
try
also
one more.
looks. See, we know
Yeah.
red is working obviously very well, but why not try one more thing?
Yeah.
Let's do
But this is a solid 10 on 10, I think. For
Yeah,
everybody.
definitely.
Yeah. Perfect. Let's try the third one.
Come.
Very regal, I feel like with the emeralds and overall very
her mother-in-law
regal.
also wanted her
Her to wear red for one
so
function.
she's very happy.
Mother-in-law happy, you like capsules, everyone's
You can say
happy.
that. Mama happy,
Mama happy, mother-in-law happy. I love the drama of the sleeve, like the patta. It's very cool and very different.
Disha, this is like a new avatar, huh?
I know. I would have never tried something like this.
It's stunning. It really is.
I think I still like the red one more because it makes you feel more like a bride because of the color.
Yeah.
Fair.
I
Which
think-
one do you feel the most comfortable in?
I
Out of
think
all
the
three?
red one for sure.
Red.
But you should definitely consider this silhouette to wear at some
At some
point
point,
because it
I
really
think
works.
somebody mentioned
Yeah.
maybe for the reception we can consider because the movement will be much lesser that time.
Yeah. I
Maybe for
think so,
Sangeet you
yeah.
want thoda more comfort.
More and
yeah.
like ghera and everything. 'cause of
Yeah.
the movement.
अच्छा है, but I prefer red.
Also you're not wearing red on any other function.
Yeah. I think the red makes sense. But I really like that.
This color is also actually looking damn good on you.
Oh, I feel like the color is looking amazing, but the way the sleeves
Yeah,
it's adding
this is
so much
adding-
drama.
yeah.
and
Pattern
it's
is very
cool.
different.
She can
Yeah.
go for like a Met Gala thing now.
But yeah, dancing will be tough,
Yeah.
right?
Even with this, like,
Yeah.
I
You
can't
want
do
to just
a lot
one
of
second just
movements.
try movement, like see how you're feeling comfortable, like comfort wise. Like take a tour. It's so pretty.
Yeah, very pretty, loved it. But for some other function.
But I also
Yeah.
feel red was like standing out.
It was.
It's
It was.
so much
Yeah.
on her.
And it had a lot of detail, that outfit, like, you know,
Yeah.
from the
the
latkats.
delicacy of
Yeah.
Why am I not making
the
say my
beads,
words?
the beads. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that
And
was
also, I
adding
think
a
she's
lot
feeling
of-
the most comfortable
in that.
Honestly, you've looked too good in all three
Yeah.
outfits.
It's too difficult.
It's too difficult. It's like one of the toughest brides to like finalize.
Yeah, nice.
All three look very good on you.
What do you
genuinely.
think?
I think I like the red. Like after seeing the red, like this is looking really nice. But after seeing the red, I think that one was
Yeah. Red is more bridal, and honestly, you've not done it for any like
Yeah.
function yet.
I also feel red is more me. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like this looks amazing, but
Yeah.
I would have never picked this myself.
yourself.
Yeah.
Fair
even
enough.
even that
Yeah.
shape with the dance, I think it like make it
Yeah.
look much nicer
Yeah.
when
And
you
I
twirl.
also think you should feel like yourself,
Yourself on
at
the-
your wedding, and you can experiment
Yeah.
another time.
Yeah.
And I'm
Yeah.
sure you have tons of weddings in your family.
Yeah.
Always
Yeah.
experiment.
At your wedding, I should try something like this.
Yeah.
Let's think about it.
Yeah.
But mostly,
Mostly it's red.
I think
Red.
it's the rest. It's the red
It's a
one.
red for I
Yeah.
think most of us, right?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Okay, perfect. So I think like as far as Disha is also very comfortable, then I
Yeah,
think we
she
should
is
lock
comfortable.
Yeah.
it. Guys, yay! We have our outfit! Yay!
So, Auntie, I have a confession. Disha and I had once gone during some school annual day. हमने बोला था कि हम कुछ props लेने जा रहे हैं, and actually हम लोग खा पी के आए हैं for at least 1-2 hours. तो आज भी हम कहीं जा रहे हैं, but I'm taking your permission today.
Okay.
We want to take
ठीक
her
है?
for old time's sake somewhere.
Yeah.
Just for, you know, like to reminisce school times.
Permission granted.
First, no permission, now permission.
No,
granted.
now you're asking permission. उस समय
15
मांगते
years. Okay, Disha, tell me, when is the moment like you knew he was the one?
I'm sure you already know what I need to know.
I want everyone to know, na.
Basically, I was just very annoyed, and I was like shouting at him about something. I can't remember what exactly, but he was so calm and he's like just listened to me.
Yeah.
He was jet lagged and everything. but he's not reacted badly. He's not reacted in like
That's
any negative way.
That's a green flag. for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Like,
And
jokes apart, that's a green
when
flag.
I thought about it, I was like, okay, that's a very positive sign.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, too hungry now.
Now we're at Andorra, guys.
Yeah.
That's all for the
I
episode.
hope you guys have had
Disha's
a lot of fun watching Disha, and I can't wait for you all to see her as a bride. Bye.
I have absolutely loved this outfit. The minute I wore it, and I was like, this is exactly what I wanted to wear. I did not picture myself in red for the Sangeet, but then at the same time, I was like, I should have something red at the wedding since my main outfit is not red, and I think this is the perfect choice. I've had a great time, and Simone's work is just amazing. I've always wanted to try her outfits. I've seen so many options for outfits and everything. I'm happy that like there were people to advise me about it, but I realized this is what goes behind the big day.